Former Fees Must Fall activist Bonginkosi Khanyile's case has been postponed to Thursday. Now, earlier today, he appeared in the Durban's Magistrate's Court. He allegedly incited public violence during the recent unrest in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. Now, Khanyile was arrested by police on Friday. Our reporter Mawande Kheswa is following the court proceedings for us, and he joins us now live. Mawande, the case has been postponed to Thursday. Maybe give us more details on what unfolded in court this morning.
It was quite a brief court appearance. There was one side with supporters of Bonginkosi Khanyile, and the other side was a group of journalists who were waiting in anticipation to see what would transpire on the day. And indeed, there was quite a number of events. The most noticeable was when the charge sheet was brought to the court. We understand that there's a total of about 5 charges. One of those is for inciting violence. It's also 2 counts of holding an illegal gathering, and another 2 counts of not wearing a mask while in a public place. And that brings the total to about 5 charges. Now, what led to the postponement is the fact that the defense put it forward that it was only aware of 1 charge and it only found out about the other 4 in court, and therefore it would require more time to be able to study what was on the charge sheets in order to be adequately prepared for the bail application, which is set for the 26th of August 2021. What we do know is that the state will be opposing bail, and they will be opposing bail based on Khanyile's previous convictions. You will recall that in 2019 he was sentenced to 3 years house arrest for his involvement in the 2016 Fees Must Fall protest. There he was charged with public violence. He was also charged for not adhering to an instruction from police, as well as being in possession of a dangerous weapon. And that is what got him into hot water the first time, and now he's facing those other 5 charges.
Mawande, did the state even present the evidence that they actually have against him regarding the charges?
At this stage, what happened is that the state did mention to the courts that it does have evidence which it will be using to prove its case in this instance. What we do know, though, is that there are videos of Khanyile where he was speaking, and there were quite a number of people where he was. So in terms of the holding of illegal gatherings, the court may have a strong case with that regard, and also inciting violence, because in one of the videos he is heard and seen saying that those who are burning should continue burning, those who are looting should continue, and so forth. So that is part and parcel of the evidence that the state is going to bring to the courts in trying to ensure that their case stands and they do get a conviction.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Mawande Kheswa reporting to us, and clearly will be following the development of this story when on Thursday, actually, the case for which it has been postponed.